Hello and welcome back to Dr. Mommy Cake's channel. I'm going to show you a cake decorating tool that will save you a lot of time. It's called a multi-cutter. It's used if you want to create multiples of the same shape. Rather than using one cutter over and over again, a multi-cutter is a great way to make the same shape multiple times. There are different types. In this video, I'm using a hexagon cutter, but you can get them in squares, circles, petal shapes, lots and lots of different types. So I've already prepped my fondant, kneaded it and rolled it out flat, and I'm just using the cutter to press down into the fondant. And I also like to flip it over and then gently pop through the shapes out of the cutter. That way I'm not messing around and distorting the edges, and then I will peel off the excess, and then I will then to use a fondant tool to push out the cut shapes, or you can just use your finger. And in just one go, I've created 10 of the same shapes. The other way that you can do is to use your smoother to smoothen the back of the cutter, and again gently pop it out using your finger or a fondant tool. And there you have it. It's great if you want to make the same shapes over and over again. You can make it in different colors and then use it to decorate your cake. As a bonus, I'm going to show you how to stick these little cutout hexagons onto your cake. So you use edible glue, which you put into like a palette plate or just somewhere, and then you're going to use a brush to gently brush a thin layer of the fondant glue onto the fondant, and then you gently press onto your cake. Be careful not to use too much of glue, otherwise it will take long to stick, and sometimes the glue can seep out and show. And it's a time-tasking process, but you just got to go through and then fitting your shapes together and sticking it all down in the way that you want. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated cake which looks nice and amazing, and people would think, how did you cut out all those squares all at once? But you know that you've worked smart and not harder to create a cake that looks nice. So don't forget to subscribe and save this video for next time you want to make a cake like this. Happy baking!